Hi neighbors! Hi everybody, how you doing today? It's Heroes Day in Jamaica and it's a holiday, so we're here kicking back and relaxing at home. We have not vlogged in a while. All last week was, marriage talk and grown-up stuff, but we're back now and people are saying that they miss the twins and all that. So we're going to check in with everybody to see that everybody is doing fine. You can hear one of them over there. But as you see that Paul is fine. I am still not trimmed. Don't know why. I need to find my barber. But what is your name?
Leila.
And how are you, Leila? You're okay? Say yes.
Yes.
Daddy?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. You have anything that you want to say to the neighbors? What do you want to tell them?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, that's a very good word. Hi.
Hi, neighbor.
And Zaza. No, let me not say Zaza. What is your name?
Vara.
Vara. Alright, what do you want to say to the neighbors?
Hi.
Hi?
Yeah.
Okay, they'll work with that for now. What are you wearing, Lily? What is this?
Roses.
Yes, it's rose, but what is this? What you have on?
I have roses.
You have on swimsuit. Right, Zaza?
I haven't swim.
What we're going to do now?
We're going to swim.
We're going to swim outside. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to take the trampoline and the pool outside just so that they can have a little, outside time and hold a vibe. And we'll have a big announcement for you. A big announcement, Hannah, but you'll get that during her update. Alright? Yes, hi, what's up? What do you want to say to the neighbors? What's your name? What's your name, baby? Alright, you're kicking. Alright, what is your name? What's your name, baby? What is it? Why fit in when you can stand? You're born to stand out, Avi. And you were born to stand out, Edie. Alright? Tell neighbors hi.
Bye, neighbors.
Everybody ready to go?
Yeah.
In a swimsuit. Nice pink and white swimsuit.
Yeah.
Ready to go, Edie?
Yeah.
Ready to go, Ava? Where's your swimsuit? Can I come in?
No.
Daddy can't come in.
It's too big.
What you said?
It's too big.
Look at me, Leila. Leila, why Daddy can't come in?
You come, cause you come too big.
My tummy is too big. What a piece of brightness. Alright, boss. It's alright, yeah? Doing thing. Enjoy the pool. I'm gonna carry out Eva and Ava because they will never tell me that my belly too big to go in the pool. Right, Eva and Ava? Leila tell me, say, my tummy too big to rock stone. Yes, baby? It's tickling you? You guys can stay right here and watch. Is your sisters having fun? You soon can do that too, One day soon, okay? One day soon. What's you playing with right here? What's that?
What in there?
What is in there? How does it work? Psh, 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 psh.
Look what mommy brought.
Well,
Look at this.
Look at that.
Look.
All mine.
No. No. That's baby sisters.
We got yogurt and grapes.
This is watermelon and cantaloupe and grapes. And we got some yogurt here.
And what
Some
is in this nice looking dish?
babies need food too. You're wetting me
And this
up.
is Tina.
Hello, neighbors. How are you on this National Heroes Day? Well, it's Heroes Day for us today.
Today, yeah, I'm not sure when you see in the video, right? And Hannah is here.
Hannah.
Them two here now really want to sleep. Sleep is totally overtaking them. But they refuse. Look at their eyes. Well, want to sleep, you know.
So it's about that time. Babies will be 6 months old on Tuesday. And they are just starting now solids. So we have here a little bit of rice cereal. You know, we're gonna test them out with it. I'm testing different consistency to see which one they'll work with because I made one that was kind of porridge.
Runny.
And you know, maybe a little bit too runny for them and they didn't like that very much. So we're gonna see if they take to something that's a little thicker. Already started eating. Come on.
Mmm.
Come on.
Nice.
There we go. Nope. It stays in there. It stays in there. It stays in the mouth.
Oh, those spray over here.
It stays in the mouth.
No,
Good.
those spray over here.
Zara,
Those
don't
spray
do
over here.
that. It stays in the mouth. Ah.
Zara, be careful, baby. Mmm, nice.
It stays in the mouth. It stays in the mouth. All right. Good job, Edie. Let's see, Eva now. Eva, your mouth ready and none don't even reach your mouth yet, baby.
Eva mouth already
Open.
churning. What's this? What's this?
Rice cereal.
Mmm. Eva not sure what to do.
Yes, Eva, it stays in the mouth. Let's try another.
Mmm, nice.
Yes, working the tongue.
Daddy turn.
Yeah, you like it, baby? Ah.
Christian, this look like melon to you? I know you can tell that it's melon. But it don't taste like regular watermelon.
It's just a little fresh, that's all.
It has many seeds.
Yes, it has quite a lot of seeds.
And it basically has no taste.
It tastes like melon.
It has look at the size of these seeds. For sure. It's the first time I'm having this and I'm not impressed. I don't think I'd ever buy this back because it's just below par.
It's just like when you buy a regular red watermelon.
Come on,
Or
see the
pink
thing with this
watermelon.
little part.
Sometimes you get a good one that's nice and tasty and sweet. And then other times it's not as tasty or sweet. Oh babies, come on, I'm gonna take it for a little spoon.
So Hannah has some big news for us, right? Tell the neighborhood what's happening.
Dun 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 dun!
Dum 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 dum.
Dun 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 dun!
Dum 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 dum. So Hannah, what's the latest with you? What's been going on in your neck of the woods? One minute while she finishes her
Hazelnut latte.
hazelnut latte, which is a beautiful actually snack. Where is it?
Hannah finished it.
This snack is pretty good holiday. Again, big up
Yes.
Sindat people.
Bop.
Holiday, you're doing really good work over there, man.
That's delicious. I would definitely have this again.
It tastes like coffee and chocolate, and it's
And
just
nuts. And
yeah,
it's
it's
nutty
just
at the same time.
it's
Brilliant.
beautiful.
So, during the summer,
Oh, she take it way back.
Just give her a chance. Give her a chance.
during the summer of 2021,
Mhm.
when I was still in third form,
Mhm.
I took an exam, a CXC exam, that my school lets you take from when you're in third form instead of waiting until you're in fifth form. But it's only one. And
which one was
I
that?
was about to say, which is the EDPM exam,
What is EDPM?
Electronic Document Preparation Management.
Wrong. Electronic data processing management.
No.
Are you in?
Continue your story, Hannah.
And
Don't let that drop over there.
I
No. And you did the exam.
did the exam.
Build the suspense.
And then results for the exam, for CXC just generally, got released on Friday. And so I got...
No. You were nervous, you know. Because let me tell you, she came out. I was in the living room and she came out and she was like, the results are out. And she don't check it, but she nervous and she's going to go back and check now. So tell us after that part now, after filming with that excitement before.
I went to go check, and I was nervous. I couldn't find...
You couldn't find your name? You couldn't find your name?
No, I couldn't find my candidate number, the thing with my candidate number on it.
Don't.
Oh.
So I was looking down, I was looking in my room for it all over the place until I found it.
And the results are in.
I got a 1.
You were surprised?
I knew I did well, but yeah, I was.
You were surprised, okay. Well, it's the first one, so you have no exams in fourth form, but you have fifth form to do the other 8, right? Or 7?
8.
Yeah.
Right.
So I would like to say thank you to my school teacher who made us, who prepared us for the exam. And I would also like to thank Miss Carrie Ann from the Basic IT and EDPM channel on YouTube. Thank you so much. Your videos helped me a lot, and I practiced from them, and they were very helpful, so thank you. I would also like to thank my parents.
Oh, because I hear one day, you know. I wait, you know, I was about to say. I was here waiting and say, boy, you know, say, any Hannah do big milk, trust me, you know, I'm going to feel hurt, you know, but she remembered, babe.
Yeah.
I would like to congratulate myself.
And I would like to congratulate you.
Group hug. Come, Leila and Zahra, come. Tell Hannah congratulations. Congratulations. Gentulations. Okay. We work with that one. Give her a hug. Give her a big hug. Come give her a big hug, Zaza.
Just loading up the pistol.
I go back and play. Wow. They were so tired. They just went to sleep.
But it's a warm. It's a hot day. Look like we're going to get something. Some rain.
What you playing with right here? What's that?
What in there?
What is in there? How does it work? Yo, this body, no?
You are such a big kid. look at your gun.
It doesn't look
It's
like
so
much.
unassuming.
It doesn't look like much, but it's, you know, the person behind the machine. That's important.
is. Whoa. Oh man. Yeah, we need a bigger pool. We need to order a bigger pool. Whew. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a bit of a quiz today. As you all know, it's Heroes Day, National Heroes Day in Jamaica. We celebrated National Heritage Week last week. So we're gonna hit these guys up with a little bit of trivia. Let's see how much they know about Jamaican popular culture, proverbs, general knowledge, that kind of thing. So our contestants are, let me introduce you. So we got a member of the audience, studio audience here. Our first contestant is Paul, aka Daddy, aka Sir Paul Reed. And we also have Hannah, aka aka Sugar Pie, aka Hannah Banana Mullo. Yes, sirree, we are ready. Are you ready, contestants?
Whoa.
The enthusiasm, can you feel it? It's so palpable. You each get 1 point for the correct answer, and you will be allowed to answer your questions within 5 seconds. So start answering your questions within 5 seconds.
So it will be directed to me and then directed to her.
Right. So
Okay.
you can do rock, paper, scissors for who will start first. The winner of the rock, paper, scissors can determine if they will start first or if the other contestant starts first.
Okay. Ready?
Are you ready, contestants?
Yes.
Rock,
Ready.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Well done, Ava. Good job, Ava.
So are you gonna go first?
No,
babe,
I allow the word the opposition to go first. Let's go.
Okay. General knowledge. What is the smallest parish in terms of size in Jamaica?
Kingston. No, wait. Yeah, Kingston.
That's correct. Which parish has the lowest elevation? Options are St. Catherine, Kingston, St. Elizabeth, and Clarendon.
Clarendon.
You are incorrect. It is Kingston. Okay, next question. This goes to Hannah. What is the combined total number of parishes and counties in Jamaica?
That's easy.
17.
She didn't even need options.
17 is correct.
Fresh out of school.
Next question to you, Mr. Mautamasi.
So
Which of the Jamaican national heroes was a maroon? Options are Nani, Sam Sharp, Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle.
Nanny of the Maroons.
That is correct. Next question. This goes to Hannah. Which is the most populous parish in Jamaica?
The most
Options
what?
are populous.
No, don't repeat.
Options are Kingston, St. Anne, St. James, St. Andrew.
Kingston.
That is incorrect. It is St. Andrew.
Yes.
The parish of St. Thomas is considered the windward side of the island. True or false?
True.
Incorrect. It's false.
Ava, you need to give me better suggestions. You know.
Okay, and Hannah, this question is for you. In which county is Manchester located? Surrey, Middlesex, or Cornwall?
Sorry.
Time's up.
Yes.
The question goes to the other contestant.
Middlesex.
Correct.
I was going to say that, but he.
Excuse me, Leila.
Leila,
You're in the show.
We're not in the show. You're not in the show.
Which parish has the highest elevation? St. Thomas, St. Andrew, Portland, or St. James?
St. Andrew.
Incorrect.
What?
The answer is Portland. Hannah, your question. Which parish was the birthplace of river rafting? Was it St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, or Portland?
Stop. Stop it. Wait, can you say the answers again?
No.
No,
Time.
stop it. Can you
Time. Question goes to Paul.
Let me hear the question, please.
No.
Exactly, no.
All right.
That
We are
question
rafting on
passes.
the Rio Grande, oh.
The answer was Portland.
Portland.
Okay.
Time gone. No.
This question goes to Hannah. How many cities?
No.
Yes, you didn't answer the question.
You asked her the question.
Yes, it had to pass because you were asking me the question again.
You asked her the question and she time out and it passed
so
to
did
me.
you.
Right, so it's not my question because it was her question.
No,
originally.
it goes back to Hannah now.
Hannah, speak. No, Isn't
it Uncle Paul's question?
It's my question.
Okay, all right, fine.
Jesus. At least you're fair. Give her a point for that.
She's not short on points, so don't worry about Hannah. Okay, how many cities are there in Jamaica? That is a municipality having its own powers of self-government or jurisdiction. Is the answer 2, 3, 1, or 4?
Spanish Town, Montego Bay, Kingston. 3.
3 is the correct answer.
I'm glad you got that. I would never been able to answer.
Right. So it is Portmore,
Portmore.
Kingston and St. Andrew, and Montego Bay.
Spanish Town. Is it
Municipality.
Okay.
Man, although you get...
Answer still right.
And that brings us to the end of that section. Yes. So now, let's move on to popular culture. All right. What was Bob Marley's first album without Bunny Wailer and Peter Tosh?
Should not get this.
Is it Burning, Rastaman Vibration, Natty Dread, or Rasta Revolution?
Rasta Revolution.
Stop.
You have to answer the question or it will go.
Rasta Revolution.
What?
Rasta Revolution.
I'm sorry, it was Natty Dread in 1974. Paul, this question goes to you. What Bob Marley album was released 2 years after his death? Was it Confrontation, Uprising, Babylon by Bus, or no new albums were released after his death?
No new albums were released after his death.
I am afraid that is incorrect. It was Confrontation in 1983. Next question. This one goes to Hannah. In which country did Usain Bolt try out for a career in football after he retired? Is it New Zealand, England, Spain, or Australia?
Australia.
Oh, you know that?
What? That is correct.
What?
Moving right along.
I forget serious now.
Paul, which Jamaican singer was the first to win the USA show called The Voice? Was it Shaggy, Beanie Man, Sean Paul, or Tessa and Jin?
Tessa and Jin.
That is correct. Hannah, this one goes to you. Who is most readily identified as the inventor of dub music? You should know this. He recently died. Is it Lee Scratch Perry, King Tubby, Errol Brown, or Coxsone Dodd?
What? Wait, sorry.
No.
Please.
No.
Who is most readily identified as the inventor of dub music? Is it Lee Scratch Perry, King Tubby, Errol Brown, or Coxsone Dodd?
Get no more
Listen, no speaking above the judges.
All right. So that time, you know.
Time.
All right.
Paul?
Lee Scratch Perry.
Oh.
That is incorrect.
Oh, it's not? Oh.
It's King Tubby.
King
I
Tubby.
was going to say that.
Okay, what is the total number of gold medals Usain Bolt has won in Olympic and World Championships combined?
Oh boy.
Is it 12,
No, sir.
15, 20, or 23?
Combined, I would say 1, 2, 3, 12, 3, 9, 15. 15.
Incorrect. 20 gold medals.
Oh, that's crazy.
Hannah, what album is rated the world's best-selling reggae album of all time? Is it Exodus, Legend, Uprising, or Kaya?
Exodus.
Dang.
Incorrect. It's actually Legend.
Really?
1984.
That was
Yes.
a good guess.
I think it was a good guess too. Very good guess. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we had to take a short commercial break due to some technical issues. let us do a couple of Jamaican proverbs. All right? Paul,
Yes.
let's start with you. Sorry for maga dog turn round bite you.
Sorry for a meager dog. The meager dog turns around and bites one. And interpretation is that you can help somebody one day when you feel sorry for them, but then that same person may turn around and do something to hurt you afterwards.
Right. Okay, I'll accept. Hannah, how about this? What I feel can be unfeel.
What is yours cannot be on yours.
No, don't
What's
trouble,
it
don't trouble
saying?
Leila. Don't trouble Leila. You're so hungry? You're hungry? All right.
What it's saying is that if you own something, you can't take it back. Or if you are a certain way, you can't say that about yourself. It's like, for example, if you have a certain...
No examples.
I can give an example so she can understand better. If you're the type of person that have a lot of attitude, you can't say that back about yourself. You just have a lot of attitude.
No, wrong.
What?
Paul, you give a try.
What is fair can be unfair. What is yours cannot be not yours, because that's the translation. Interpretation is that no matter how somebody may try to prevent you from getting something, if it is for you to get it, you will get it.
Correct. And I was shocked.
I go pop my school.
All right, Hannah. Boy, if me could have only answer that one here. Me owl, but me not cowl. First, you need to give the translation in English.
I am old, but I am not cold.
That is correct.
Very good.
But it means that
It means that.
Lily.
even though you're old,
Mhm.
it doesn't mean that you don't understand something that's recent or
Okay,
current.
I will accept.
Right.
All right, Paul. Man,
Still recording?
these dog questions keep coming to you. Every dog have him day and every puss have him 4 o'clock.
Well, every dog has their day, and every cat has their 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Oh, what does this mean?
Mm-hmm.
What happens at 4 o'clock, by the way? So every dog has their bad days, or everybody has their bad days. So there's good times and bad times that people face.
Yes, this is true. I will accept. What
Okay.
is given here is we shouldn't behave as if we are better than others or allow our position in life to blind us to the need of others. Final one. This one is for Hannah. Rock stone a river bottom, no sun at.
Rockstone in river bottom. Don't wait. What? Say it again.
Rock stone a river bottom, no sun at.
Rockstone at river bottom. Don't know that sun is hot.
Don't know. Rock
don't
stone
know.
don't know. I don't think that is grammatically correct according to the rules
not
of the
Queen's
English
English,
language.
Okay. The translation is that, the interpretation is that if you're treated with, what would you call it? Luxury, if you're spoilt,
Mhm.
then you won't know the harsh reality of the world if you're just
Wow,
treated.
Wow,
that
very
is
good.
correct.
No, that's half correct.
Eh?
That's not correct.
Not the that's fine. Interpretation is fine, but the translation.
How
is
would you
wrong.
translate, Sir Paul?
Rockstone at the river bottom does not know how hot the sun is.
Ah,
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 ah.
ah.
That's the Queen's English there. That's like 4 runs.
So that brings us to the end of our quiz, ladies and gentlemen. It would appear that our contestants have performed so much better than expected. Who do you think the winner is of this contest?
I think I clinched it at the end. The last 3 or 4, I got a chance to get some shots in, and I have a unassailable lead, I believe.
Hannah,
How
you did
confident are
very
you?
well. How confident do you feel, my dear?
Yeah, half and half.
Half
I was
and half.
confident in the first half, but
Yes,
now
yes. You were off
I don't
to
feel-
a start.
It started like Shelly, but I finished like Elaine. I love them both today, by the way, so there's no... So everybody, it's been a good day. Hope you enjoyed your holiday. And of course, we're back to vlogging. And we're going to go inside now and get these girls some food and some sleep. Until next time, big up from me and the sleeping house.